So what I'm going to do now is hydrate the flowers into this bucket with water and using some of the Global Rose fresh powder. You want to do this and keep them in the water for 2 to 3 days until the roses can open up beautifully. So here I'm cutting them up. You also do want to cut about 1 inch or so from the bottom before you put them in the water. That way the water can penetrate really well. You can use scissors. In this case, I'm using my durable scissors. You can use pruners as well. And here I'm putting them in the water. And this is what they look like. I'm going to remove this wrap in there, and there's 2 layers of roses. There's some on the top and some at the bottom, so just be very careful when you're trying to remove the package and the wrapping of the roses. These are absolutely breathtaking. I used the same color of roses for my wedding last year, and I will link the video below for you guys to check out my wedding video. So in this one here, I'm doing the white roses as well, doing them underwater, and this is what they look like, just so beautifully. I am then going to do another bucket, and I'm going to put the greenery in these as well. They're so beautiful. And then I'm going to move these 2 flower buckets into my studio because it's a very cool room. There is not that much, no sun hits in there, so that will be good, so they will stay nice and fresh.